Hi friends, welcome to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in CREO software. So you can see I choose this drawing, all the dimensions are mentioned in the mm. So in this drawing I will create one solid block first, then I will go to add material and remove material features. Here select new part solid, give the part name, and also remove this, use default template. OK, template, select MMNS solid, MMNS part solid ABS. OK, select plane, sketch view, select center rectangle, give the dimension 98, height is 20 mm, this is 98, this height is 20 mm. OK, select extruded, extrude up to 42 mm. OK, go to view, change to shaded with edges. Now select the center plane, sketch view. You can see center on flange is there, that radius is 21 mm and surface to height is 21 mm. Select the circle, give the dimension 42, 21 means 42 diameter and dimension is here to here 21 mm, and this is also center 21 mm. Select the line. OK, this side also connect the tangent surface and also give the tangent. Remove the unmaterial lines, delete segment. OK, sketch is completed. Click OK. Oh, 1 minute to shit. Friends, for this we need to close the sketch. So for that, so again we need to do select the circle, give the dimension 42 mm, this is 21, take the dimension here to 21, select the line, delete segment. First give the tangent both the lines. OK, delete segment now. That's it, finish sketch. Select extruded. You can select here both side, thickness is 14 mm. Click OK. You can see the dimension, thickness is 14 mm. Now we can see there are one center hole, diameter is 20 and height from the bottom to 21. Select the surface, sketch, select circle, diameter is 20 and this dimension is 21. Here too, here is also 21. Okay, select extrude, remove material, reverse. Okay, so one hole is ready. Now you can see in the drawing there are one cutout is there, that height is 6 mm, both the side 14 mm gap. Select this surface, sketch view, select the corner rectangle, (6 mm), select the dimension here 14 and this side also 14. Click OK. Again select extrude, remove material, reverse. Here we can select through hole. Okay. And also one more hole is here, that diameter is 12 mm, dimension from the side 24 and 21 mm. Select this surface, sketch view, select the circle, give the dimension, diameter is 12, here to here 24 mm, and this is 21. Okay, finish sketch. Again select extrude, remove material, reverse, through hole. Okay, so now we can mirror this feature. Select extrude, mirror, select this plane. Okay, you can turn off this visibility, all the planes, for better looking. Now you can give some fillet here. Select the round, 1.5 is there presently. Click OK. For this we can assign the material here, appearances, PTC, standard brass, aluminum. Which material you want, you can select here, steel, titanium, PTC, standard steel polished. I will select this. Select the entire body, aluminum polished. Okay. Okay, that's it from today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Save the part last, Ctrl S. Okay. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.